In today's video, I am going to teach you how to create social media calendar on Hootsuite. If you want an easier way to plan your posts and see everything in one place, Hootsuite's planner is the tool you will use. By the end of this walkthrough, you will be able to create a post, choose the right social accounts, set a date and time, and schedule it for publishing. First, log into Hootsuite. Start by opening your web browser and going to the Hootsuite site. Then enter your account login details and complete any sign-in prompts that appear. Once you are signed in, you should land on your main dashboard. This is the place where you can access planning tools, so take a moment to confirm that you are in your Hootsuite account and able to see navigation options. Next, go to Planner. Look for the Planner option in the menu or sidebar. Some layouts may show it as a dedicated section, while others group it under Social Tools. Click Planner so you can switch from viewing general information to managing upcoming posts. This step matters because the Planner is where your calendar view and scheduling options live. Once you are in Planner, click Create Post. This will open the Composer area where you can build a new social post. You will usually see fields for selecting accounts, adding message text, and attaching media if needed. Click Create Post and wait for the creation screen to fully load. After that, you will be ready to choose where the post should appear. After that, select your social accounts. In the Account Selection area, pick the channels you want to post to, such as specific profiles connected to your Hootsuite workspace. Make sure you choose the correct accounts before you write your content. Choosing the accounts early helps you stay consistent with formatting and audience expectations for each platform. Now, add your content. This is where you type the post message and include any text you want your audience to see. If you have images or other media, you can add them within the same content area. Take a moment to review spacing, wording, and clarity as you type. If your post includes links, double-check that the link is correct and formatted properly. This is also a good time to ensure your message matches the purpose of your calendar plan, since the planner will keep everything organized by date. Next, choose the date and time. In the scheduling section, look for the fields that control when the post will go live. Set the date, and then select the time you want the post to publish. If Hootsuite shows a time zone option, confirm the correct time zone matches your audience. This is an important step because it determines exactly when your content will appear in the social feed. Finally, click Schedule. Once you click Schedule, Hootsuite will save your post and place it on the calendar according to the date and time you selected. At this point, you should see your scheduled post appear in the planner view. If there is an option to preview, review, or confirm details, take a quick look to ensure everything is correct. Then you can repeat the same process for additional posts, building out your social media calendar one scheduled item at a time. That covers everything you need to know, and that is all there is to it.